As you can see, I'm just placing halves of cherry tomatoes right here on my baking sheet, and it's if I'm placing them in a shape of a flower to make a nice circular shape. Just make sure then that they're evenly spread out. Then you want to grab yourself a little bit of olive oil, and as good as I can, we just want to drizzle some olive oil right here over these cherry tomatoes. Just a little bit of olive oil there. Perfect. After our tomatoes are nice and lubed up, we'll grab some coarse sea salt. I'm just going to put it in my hand right there, and you'll just take some sea salt and you'll drizzle it right there on the top of those tomatoes. Ooh, that's gonna blend so good. I love salt and tomatoes, like best thing ever.
So good.
Now, of course, a little bit of black pepper. Same thing, just go ahead and put that all over the top. It's gonna stick good to the tomatoes with a little bit of that olive oil right on there. Perfect. Now grab yourself some biscuits. Here I went with the flaky layers. I feel like those are the easiest to work with. We're gonna open up this container of biscuits here that we have. Then you wanna take your flaky layer biscuit and you wanna separate it right in half so two becomes one. You'll stretch it out just a little bit, enough to place it right here on top of those tomatoes. So see, we're kind of just hovering over the tomatoes with the biscuit, just like that. So you wanna spread it out. If it needs to get a little bit bigger, that's just fine. And then you wanna fold it kind of over these tomatoes. Look at that. And that is exactly why I like to use the flaky biscuits. I just feel like they're easier to separate the dough and it just turns out a lot better. Look at how easy those just pull apart like that, then make them a little bit big, bam, hug them right over that little cute little flower that you just made with those tomatoes. And just wait until you see what we do with this. You guys are gonna love this. Ooh, I'm excited, can you tell? All right, look at that. So now I'm just gonna kind of go through and push down this dough just to make sure that all of those tomatoes are really nice and hugged in right underneath there. Almost, yeah, just making a dome, a dough dome. All right, you guys, this is step one. We're gonna pop these in the oven at 350. They're gonna go for about 12 minutes or so. And then we're gonna take them out, stick around because I have a few more things to do and I think you're really gonna like these. All right, our little biscuits are done cooking in the oven. Now wait until you see this, guys. I'm gonna come in really carefully with my spatula and I'm gonna get all the way under that and I'm just gonna flip it right over and look at that. Remember how we made that flour with those tomatoes? See how it cooked right there in the biscuit, just like that. Oh my goodness, look at how amazing that looks. I absolutely think that these are just as delicious as they are cute, and I love the way that they look. Okay, we're not done yet though. We're gonna go ahead and we're grabbing some ricotta cheese. I'm gonna open that up. I'm gonna take a scoop of ricotta cheese and I'm gonna put that right there, almost kind of like, I guess a little off to the side because I really want those tomatoes to show. So we're just putting a little scoop of ricotta cheese right here off to the side. Oh my gosh, it's gonna make this creaminess. It's just gonna be such a good complemented flavor. And look at how you can see some of that salt and pepper along with the olive oil and the juice from the tomato just kind of cooked right there into that dough. Yum, it's gonna be so good. Okay, now to make this even more beautiful, I have a couple pieces of basil that I'm just gonna stick right there with my clean fingers into this ricotta. Look at that, you guys. What a cute little, beautiful, nice little appetizer that was so super simple to put together. I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna get this ricotta, a little bit of this basil, and oh, look at how cute that is. All right, here we go. Okay, now for the final test. Should I go for the one in the front, babe? What do you think?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go for this one right here. It's screaming my name. I'm gonna bite it from the corner because I want some of that ricotta cheese, but I really want you to get in here and take a look at how that biscuit just went all around those tomatoes. Have you ever seen such a thing?
No, it's very pretty.
Good, I'm glad. I wanted to be the first to show you. All right, let's give this bad boy a bite. Mmm, yes. Juicy, creamy, wow. This is the perfect appetizer. You would eat this as a dinner. Wow, you guys, this is better than a pizza. Fresh, delicious. The dough is doughy, the basil is fresh, and the tomatoes are juicy, and the ricotta is creamy. I don't even know how much more you could ask for. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know what you think of it, and if you enjoy it, please share it with a friend, and we'll see you guys later. Yum.